Hi guys, in this video we're going to discuss Module 2 or Java Applet IDE. So what we're going to do now is we're going to introduce the environment that we're going to use in creating programs using Java or creating Java Applet using JCreator. Alright, so uh, what we're going to do now is we're going to open JCreator, and as you can see uh, you can still be able to see the module in front of you. And what I'm trying to do here is based from last modules that we had, there are a lot of questions that most of you asked. But the thing is, it is those questions are the answer to those questions are already in your modules and in this video. So I just want to show you guys that uh, you know if you just going to read your modules, you should be able to follow uh, the, the 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 topics or the discussion that we're having. Okay, so module 2 Java Applet IDE. So let's open the jCreator, or what we're going to do first is we're going to just like what we did last time, is we're going to create a folder first. Okay, so right click, new folder. So do not forget about this folder. So my Java Applet programs. All right, so this is where we're going to save all of our Java Applet exercises or activities. Okay, so double click Java create or JCreator. Right, so this is the first time that I opened my JCreator. So finish. All right, close. So based from your module, okay, so here we go. So you have their create folder. All right, step to JCreator, click JCreator and opens. I was click and then click blank workspace, and also you can just follow this. All right, you can just follow this, and that's what I'm trying to do here. Is I'm going to follow the steps in your module, and I want to show you guys that you know by following your module, you should be able to cope up. All right, so next is JCreator. So what we're going to do is we're going to click file, new. All right, blank workspace. All right, and again your location, select the folder that we did create. Okay, and let's see first. All right, or based in our module. Right there, pick hello applet. All right, so we're going to do that. So hello applet. We finish. All right, right click, add new project. All right, so this is something new. Before we tend to click basic Java application. All right, so this time basic Java application. This time we're going to select basic Java applet. All right, click finish. Next, type in the same file name that we gave to our workspace. So hello applet. Okay, click finish. All right, so the next thing that we need to do is to click the plus sign beside the source folder. All right, and then double click hello applet. All right, okay, so this is something new for us. All right, so let's see. Based on our module, okay, there you go. Okay, so what we're trying to do here is we're going to explain the parts of the basic codes that we're going to have. All right, so these are the common lines of codes that we're going to see every time we create a new project. So of course we have the comments here, right? So you already know about the comments. So this time we have here import Java out. From our previous video, we discussed, or we did say that we're going to be informed, or discuss about more on the out. All right, we're going to have more discussion about the out. Okay, so here we go. Out, or Abstract Window Toolkit, is an API to develop the GUI or window-based application in Java. So that's what out means. Okay, so it's more on the graphical user interface of the program. Okay, so we're going to import Java out file to be included into our program. So since we're going to add objects in it, so we need this file. All right, so we have to import Java Applet. Java Applet is a Java program that can be embedded into web page. So the idea of this is, we're going to include Java Applet into each of our programs to make it compatible, all right, for web browser. All right, so of course we have the public class, the class that we did. All right, hello Applet. Actually, it's like the name of our class. Okay, it has the extends Applet. Okay, so because we're going to create programs using Applet. And then we have the public void, still empty, another function. And I want you guys to focus more in these lines. Okay, so you have public void paint, so which we have discussed from the previous video, module 1. You have the graphics G for graphic, and the G drawstring. Okay, so public void paint, it's more on uh, adding or trying to we're trying to prepare JCreator for those objects that are going to be inserted in our program. And we have the G drawstrings, which means where is that? Here. This code is the list in the listing above shows drawstring method in use with the components paint. All right, so it's more on the drawstring and the paint. Since I said earlier, this is more on the objects to be inserted in our program. So this works hand in hand to be able to achieve those outputs having objects. Okay, so we have here welcome Java, which is the string that will be displayed if we're going to run this program. And these are the coordinates of the string. Coordinates meaning the location of the string welcome to Java. Okay, so that's about it with this line. All right, so let's try to run the program. Okay, so F7. All right, so again, we're going to press F7 and F5. F7 to compile and F5 to run our program. All right, process complete. F5. All right, so this is your applet. All right, this is where we're going to work most of the time. Okay, just like not like before. What we see is like a black screen and some text, but this time we are going to be more focused on how our program should look like. Okay, so welcome to Java. Welcome to Java. This is how we display the information or the string welcome to Java on our applet. So the coordinates, if you want, like for example 50, 60. If you're going to change this one, so let's for example, let's make this 150, and then try to look the effect of this to our applet. Okay, so it's not that visible. Okay, so let's change it a little bit more higher. All right, say for example 350. All right, so what happened there? The first variable here refers to uh, the x axis, and this one is to the y axis. For example, let's change this one. Let's make it 100. So I think you know what's going to happen right there. Okay, so the x and y axis. So there you go. Those are the basic codes that we have to deal with Java. All right, and this module or Java applet is more like going to be a little bit, uh, you know, tiring when it comes to coding. All right, because of we're going to yeah, that's what I'm trying to say is that not we're not going to be concerned with the program itself, not only that but also with how our program's going to look like when it's executed. All right, so that's it. Thank you.